friends, Assalam-o-Alaikum my YouTube channel. Guys, how have to be friends, most welcome. Hopefully friends you also find in this video. Friends, I'm introducing new and attractive beautiful pebble art designs. चलते हैं गाइज आज की वीडियो की जानिब और बहुत ही खूबसूरत से आइडियाज़ हम आपके साथ शेयर कर रहे हैं. And that's looking so beautiful, adorable ideas where I'm introducing. You can enjoying the best collection ideas where I'm introducing. First of all friends, comment in a box. You can enjoying its beautiful styles ideas. That's our beautiful styles and elegant style ideas where I'm introducing. You can like the beautiful pebble art design ideas where I'm sharing with you. First of all friends, comment in a box you like this video and you can like the beautiful styles elegant pebble art ideas where I'm introducing. Hope so guys you will enjoying this beautiful video and you can enjoying this beautiful and amazing styles that's looking so awesome ideas where I'm sharing with you. And you can gain new and different stylistic design ideas that's looking so beautiful and awesome ideas. Hope so guys you like these beautiful styles. Hopefully friends you will enjoying its beautiful ideas where I'm sharing with you and you like it's looking so beautiful ideas that are completely different to each other and you can enjoying that's beautiful style ideas where I'm introducing with you and you can like its beautiful style. You can like its beautiful ideas. गर्मी लग रही है बस फिर. You can enjoying its beautiful styles ideas that's looking so beautiful and most stunned ideas where that's looking so beautiful and investy ideas where I'm sharing. आप हदीम दो अपने. You can enjoying this beautiful ideas where I'm introducing. That's are completely different to each other and you can like this beautiful style. That's are and are completely different to each other and you can enjoying its beautiful ideas. फिर जाकर कॉपी लेकर ऊपर से एक बच्ची. You can like its beautiful style ideas.